Hey guys, I'm doing a review on the Chevy Caprice. I paid around about 25 quid for this model, and it's made by UT Models. They're not the best company, but this one is very impressive. It's my favorite department, and it's my favorite color. I've had this for a while, and the paint is still pretty much perfect. I've added a few things like camera, this, that, and this little light, the bar I've added in the back window, but the rest of it is how it came. Now this engine is pretty exact to a real Chevy Caprice engine. Now they never used to use the Mustang engines in these, so that's why it isn't. Front doors open, back doors in the trunk does not open. The only downside to this vehicle is the wheels. They wobble quite a lot, and that's annoying. It has a shotgun in the front, all the equipment very nice inside. It has the guard behind the back seats, the bar along the window. That should be on the inside instead of the outside. Sticker. You gotta watch these stickers if you have one of these. They come off very easily. The rest of the car is fine. Chevy badge. Yeah, so that is the Chevy Caprice NYPD. Hope you like it.